In this video I will show you how to find deleted friends on Snapchat. But before you start with this video, remember that if it works for you, you can leave me a like and subscribe. Now yes, let's start with the video. The first thing we will do is get into Snapchat. Once we are inside, we select chat. Here we will be shown all the chats we have with our friends. In my case, I will leave any chat pressed. It will show me this window. I will choose the manage friendship option. Now in this section 1 we'll select remove friend. I will confirm remove again. This way we can delete any friends we have on Snapchat by following these simple steps. Remember that if this video works for you, you can leave me a like and above all subscribe. My name is Anxiety7U7X Tutorials, and see you until the next video.